Hi everybody, and welcome to Murphy's Law Garage. Today we go back to doing, well, what a lot of people originally came to this channel to see, and that is to finish my truck. And that is 12 valve Cummins 2nd gen frame with 93 Ramcharger body sitting on top of it. Dang it. Now, I had originally intended to shoot this video today. I had 2 days off, Saturday, Sunday, and I wasn't gonna do it yesterday because rain. But being that this is the deep South Louisiana, predicting weather around here is like betting on horses. It's raining today. It did not rain yesterday, and that's gonna cause us a little trouble, but we're gonna try anyways. So what we need to get done today is get more things off of this frame so that that body can get on here. One of those things being the fifth wheel hitch that once poked through the bed of the 2nd gen is firmly in our way, and I don't think we're gonna get a fifth wheel through the roof of the Ramcharger, eh? So let's get this cut off of here. I have no idea how difficult this is gonna be. Thankfully, it was actually helpful for keeping the frame straight whenever we were doing the shrinking of the frame. As you can see, we've got some nice, beautiful rust developing through the weld-in primer. That's perfectly fine. That was only put there to try to slow the rust. I knew that this stuff is pretty water permeable, so the water was gonna get in there. The oxygen was gonna get through. That's kind of why it's weld-through primer. And it was gonna try to rust. That's okay, because we are going to rust encapsulate this frame using an Eastwood product. But anyways, let's get this off of here. I'm probably gonna do some measurements between these two and try to figure out if anything else is in the way, like possibly this exhaust hanger. The rear bumper needs to come off, so on and so forth. So let's just do it. We might even end up having to take the front cab mounts off because they're in the wrong place. I don't know, but let's try. All right, this is what we're working with. Got a nice fat 2 or 3 layers of bead on that 1/2-inch plate on what appears to be only the outsides on both sides. It couldn't be that hard to cut off, right? Let's give that a try. I mean, it is actively drizzling on us right now. That's always classy. Let's get some nice thin leather gloves on for ultimate protection. Got me a fresh disc on here. Let's see exactly what it's gonna take to defeat that weld. Boy, that sucker's about 1/4 inch deep. Now look, I have thrown cutting wheels at this thing like you throw dollar bills at a cheap hooker on stage, and I can't for the life of me get this thing to wiggle. It is on there. Whoever welded this was beyond your normal. Like, this is a farm truck. This wasn't some farm hand with like a Miller 110 unit sitting in the corner. This sucker is on there. I'm talking penetration. That first root bead that he put in there, that sucker is beyond a 1/4 inch in. I've literally used every single cutting wheel that I've bought. Lots of them, like 10. And I think I'm probably 3/4 of the way through on that side, and I believe 7/8 through on this side. At this point, I'm just hoping if I hit it hard enough, it'll start to peel up. Otherwise, this isn't coming off today. Hold on, I got something for your ass. Oh yeah? Yeah. Righty. No way. There's no way to swing at it like that. Oh, leverage. Ready? I'm not sure it probably falls in the category of thou will come ye. We called this a pinch bar, me and my grandpa. It's older than I am and had to be bent back straight a few times from a few hot suppers. It's probably just called a pry bar by the rest of the world. I don't know. I don't even really know. It's a good angle of attack. Try not to run it into the very expensive and getting hard to find rear glass on a Ram Charger. Oh, movement! What if I told you? I don't know if you can see that. What if I told you it's moving like 1/8 of an inch tops, and just on this side? Let me bring the camera over here so you can see this. I don't know how well y'all are gonna be able to make that out, but let's see. Like, holy crap, man. Like, I don't even think I have enough grinding disc to clean up all that weld on here. Hell, I might need Seth to help me get this out of here. Now look, I've been working out. I can do this. Oh! Let me reposition the camera in case I kill myself. What do you think? Can JB get this piece of steel out of here? Now look, this bad boy is heavy. That's probably part of the reason why just hitting it with a hammer wasn't doing anything. Though, for my own sake, I'm gonna say all of those calories expended swinging that hammer up, it loosened it up. Right? Just for my ego, yeah? Yikes. That's a step in the right direction. Hey there, 24 valve. Get it, son. All right. I'm sure y'all couldn't hear the whistle from the highway. That's what the fancy mics are for. As soon as this comes off that end, it's not gonna be pretty. Boy, the local scrapper would be happy to see this thing. All right. Well, I didn't die yet. Probably gonna need a hand truck to move it. In fact, that seems way too smart. So let's get a hand truck and try to get this in the bed of the scrap. Yeah, so that just happens to be too smart. No idea where the hand truck went. Though, maybe we never had one. Oh well. Gym day? This is gonna hurt so bad. Oh my gosh. Not to mention, I'm gonna get rust all over my pretty clothes. I mean, you know me. Gotta show up to work in your finest outfit. Oh, wow, this plate is bent. Well, they probably would have been a little sketched out if they'd have seen that. So how do we carry this? Let's go full frontal. Oh my God, that's heavy. Okay, it's on my nuts. Now it's not. Yikes. Y'all are lucky I love y'all. I put that thing down just so y'all can see me struggle the rest of the way. Naughty, naughty viewers. Okay, how about we keep it off the nuts this time, eh? Oh God. Oh. I'm sure I'm gonna get a phone call from my mother right after this video airs. Boy, I know you didn't go and set that rusty ass piece of steel down on my shiny double stack trailer. Well, Mom, I did. I'm sorry. I love you. It'll buff out. Whew. All right. Before we walk away from this for the last time, let me not get my foot pinched off. I want y'all to see the bow in this. Gosh, that's heavy. How well it's going to come across on camera, especially on the wide angle. Can you see the bow in there? Someone had something. It's really heavy on that. Rain, cut it out. I'm getting wet. All right, I'm inside. Wanted to pop this off real quick so y'all can see what I'm dealing with here. This is $400 and it is not waterproof, and I'm trying really hard not to ruin it. Oh, hey look, usjack.com, baby. All right, well, this is what we're left to work with. We've got some surface rusting on this side. On the other side, it looks like there's some pitting here that is either because the steel was there or has existed for a while. That's mostly surface, but you can see the pitting that's going on right there. It's nothing severe. There's still tons and tons of steel there. Unfortunately, this has all gotten wet, and that makes a horrible time for grinding. But we're going to go ahead and knock the rest of that weld off, and maybe it'll dry enough to put some primer on it. And then maybe we'll try to get this sucker off, though those bolts look so bad it's going to make me wish I had an acetylene torch. It's raining. Hey, no, very wet. All right, everyone. I can't keep risking the camera and the microphone. We're on the shielded side of the building. The wind's blowing the rain the other direction. The Ram Charger videos are going to come much more often now, I promise. As soon as I can get the other guys down here to come work with me, it's going to go even faster. Something I want to say to all the fans: y'all just remember, when y'all don't see videos come up too often, that we all have full-time jobs, we all have families. I would prefer to bring to y'all one really good video every couple of weeks, as opposed to, you know, just whatever once a week. I'm not going to be that kind of YouTuber. You know, we thank y'all for all the suggestions y'all give us here. The only reason why I'm even here doing this on video is so that other like-minded people who want to follow these projects can enjoy watching it be done, even if they can't for some reason do it themselves. Or maybe it inspires someone else to do it themselves. Y'all stick around. Weather's too bad today. We're rained out, so everything is soaking wet. I need to go dry everything up, including myself. We really appreciate y'all being here. Y'all go check out murphyslawgarage.com, at Murphy's Law Garage YouTube on Facebook. We have at Murphy's Law Garage on Instagram, and at Murphy's Law Garage without the E on the end, because, you know, characters are too long. usjack.com is still running the coupon code MLG15 off. Y'all go check them out for a door's about to slam. Wait for it. Not as loud as I thought it'd be. Y'all go check them out for all of your USA-made jack stand needs and jacks, so on and so forth. As usual, we love y'all. God bless. Peace. How about a little bit of bonus content for the viewers that actually stick around till the end? Mikey once asked, how slow is the Corolla, and wanted it to be on a draggy. Well, I've driven all the way out to Mexico, where apparently it's raining too, and we'll go as fast as I think it might die, which is probably not going to break the speed limit. But let's see just how slow the Corolla really is. I'm talking, I've got the AC off, I've got all the windows rolled up, and I've got a tailwind. Let's see.